Hey everybody, I found these printable fabric sheets and decided to try them out with a fabric brooch project. You just put them in your inkjet printer and print out your images. Just make sure to adjust your settings, they can be a little bit tricky. To add some sturdiness to this project, I'm using good felt from John Bead. This is a very stiff felt for beading projects and I love using it. Next, I'm going to select my beads. I'm starting with the check bead boxes, also from John Bead. I love using them. They come in tons of different color combinations. And I'm also using their beautiful seed beads. Cut the good felt and the image in the same shape. I'm working with ovals today. The brooch, or fibula, originated as a functional item in the Bronze Age around 1600 BC. It was used to fasten clothing, eventually evolving into a decorative accessory worn by both men and women in various cultures and historical periods, becoming a symbol of wealth and status and personal style. Start by adding seed beads around the image first. This will secure the printed fabric to the felt. Add 5 seed beads to your thread and stitch down. Go up from the bottom next to the first row and add another 5 beads so they sort of overlap. Once you've stitched around the image, you want to work your way outward, bringing other colors in for interest. I'm going with purple and random metallic gold beads. Okay, for texture, I am digging into my check bead box and adding some larger beads. I'm going to cluster them together and add more seed beads around them to fill in any gaps. Around the neck, I'm also adding some larger beads and securing them with a seed bead stopper so they are flat on the brooch. Keep filling in the brooch with seed beads and the random check bead box bead until you get to the edge of the brooch. Cut another oval from felt, just a tiny bit bigger than the first oval, and we're going to bead around the edge, attaching the ovals together. String 5 beads and push through the front of the brooch so that you can manage the placement as you go around. This is much easier than it looks, I promise. You can add a third layer of felt if you want to and stitch on a brooch pin or glue a brooch pin to the back. It's up to you. I always glue down a third layer to clean everything up and give it just a little bit more sturdiness. Try mixing interesting colors together. Don't be afraid to add rows of beads over other rows of beads for texture. You can even go back in when you're done and add some bigger beads. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for you in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.